Today, we're taking a journey to China, a country that's been making waves globally with its rapid growth and development. From ancient dynasties to modern skyscrapers, China's story is fascinating. So, let's dive in and explore the rise of China. China's history stretches back over 3,000 years, with dynasties like the Qin Han and Tang leaving lasting legacies. But, did you know that China was once one of the world's largest economies? The Silk Road connected China to Europe, facilitating trade and cultural exchange. Section 2. Decline and isolation. However, China's economy declined in the 19th and early 20th centuries due to foreign invasion, internal conflicts, and isolationist policies. By the mid-20th century, China was one of the poorest countries in the world. But, in 1978, China began its remarkable transformation under Deng Xiaoping's economic reforms. Market-oriented policies, foreign investment, and trade fueled rapid growth and industrialization. Today, China is the world's second-largest economy, with a thriving tech sector and global influence. From high-speed rail to space exploration, China's achievements are impressive. That's it for today's vlog on the rise of China. From ancient dynasties to modern superpower, China's story is inspiring. That's a common perception, but China has actually had a long history of economic and cultural prosperity. In fact, China was one of the world's largest economies for centuries, with a rich history of innovation and trade. China was a major producer of silk, tea, and porcelain, highly valued globally. The Silk Road connected China to Europe, facilitating trade and cultural exchange. China had advanced technologies, such as paper, gunpowder, and the compass. China's economy declined in the 19th and early 20th centuries due to opium wars and foreign invasion, internal conflicts and instability, isolationist policies and limited global engagement. After the communist takeover in 1949, China's economy struggled due to central planning and isolation, agricultural collectivization and famine, economic stagnation and poverty. China's economic reforms, initiated by Deng Xiaoping, transformed the country. Market-oriented policies, foreign investment and trade, rapid economic growth and industrialization. The rise of China refers to the country's rapid economic growth, industrialization, and increasing global influence since the late 20th century. China's rise began with economic reforms initiated by Deng Xiaoping in 1978, shifting from a planned to a market-oriented economy. Opening up to foreign investment, decentralizing economic decision-making, encouraging private enterprise, investing in infrastructure and education. China's GDP growth averaged 10% annually, driven by export-oriented manufacturing, massive infrastructure investments, urbanization and migration to cities, attracting foreign direct investment, FDI. China's accession to the World Trade Organization, WTO, in 2001 accelerated its integration into the global economy. Trade expansion and increased exports, outward investment and acquisitions, Belt and Road Initiative, BRI, launched in 2013, growing influence in international institutions. Large, educated workforce, government-led investment and policy support, technological advancements and innovation, strategic geographic location are key factors. China has some challenges and implications, for example, environmental degradation and pollution, income inequality and social tensions, dependence on exports and investment, rising debt and financial risks, increasing global competition and tensions. China's rise has reshaped global trade, investment, and politics. Shift in global economic power dynamics, increased influence in regional and global affairs, competition with established powers, e.g., US, EU, opportunities for cooperation on global challenges, e.g., climate change, pandemics. China's rise is a complex, multifaceted phenomenon with far-reaching implications for the global economy, politics, and society.